Ever feel like the world is just humming along? Well, it literally is. I'm serious. Our planet Earth is constantly making this super low rumbling sound, often called the hum of the Earth. And the craziest part? We can't even hear it. It's totally below the range of human hearing. So, what's making this sound? It's not just earthquakes. Even on a perfectly calm day, the planet is vibrating nonstop. Think about the immense power of ocean waves crashing and sloshing around, constant changes in atmospheric pressure, and even slow, deep movements happening way down in the Earth's core. All these things combined create a planetary scale vibration. Scientists needed incredibly sensitive instruments, called seismometers, buried deep underground, just to pick up this faint hum. It's like our planet has its own background music, a constant, deep bass line playing 24/7. How cool is that? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts.